So getting your head around the blockchain can be quite difficult as it involves a lot of technical terms like cryptography and public keys, etc., etc. But actually, it's a way of doing business which reduces the cost of transactions and it encodes it in a way in which is immutable and trustable. So it reduces the cost of trust. And I wanted to show you this website which Reuters has produced, and left the link to it, which has just been produced actually this month, and it shows you visually how the blockchain works. It describes how it's a database, it describes how the transactions are encoded, and it also explains how two people will do business and how that works, to how the blockchain aids in this effort. So if you see this graphic, it has these two chaps, Mr. Pink and Mr. Green. It shows their transaction, takes you through the algorithms that are used to make sure that that transaction is valid and is trustable. When you don't have a bank or any other authority to control that transaction. And it just goes through in a very, I think, a user-friendly way to describe how that's done. And here even describes, how you can not change that transaction, and therefore why the level of trust there is in the blockchain. And a great addition, which I'm very thankful to Reuters to doing. And it lastly finishes off showing us some of the mechanisms by which blockchain can really make a difference. For example, we all know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but also on things like supply chain management. If you want to be sure that you haven't got, here they talk about blood diamonds, but you want to make sure that you've got the authentic thing. And in other things which are really important, like health, when you're looking at your own health records, property, the things that we really value and we don't want to have been hacked. So please enjoy this website, and hopefully this little video is also of use.